Good evening. This is the Elliott wave update or forecast for my favorite momentum stocks, which are CGC, CRON, Beyond Meat, which is BYND, and what was the other one? Oh yeah, Roku. Okay, Roku I have right now. Okay, here's Beyond's chart. The first wave was a 0 to 186, and we broke. Excuse me. We retraced in a wave 2 down to 125. This breakout should have turned to a third wave, but the fade was so dramatic that we need to hold 155 and beyond. If we can't hold 155, we might drop to as low as 125. So the major support level right now is 155, and it needs to hold. If you can hold 155 and break above 190 and set up a third wave to as high as 300, but if it breaks below 155, we may need to retest 125. Stuttering, gotta stop stuttering. I'm gonna slow down. All right, Roku. Nice chart, very nice chart. The first wave of Roku is from 25 to 75, or 50 points. Zigzag wave 2 broke out into a third wave. If it travels 1.618 times the first wave, which is about 50 points, an 80-point move from the bottom of the wave 2 will target as high as 135 to 140. I currently have 3,000 Roku, which I paid 100 for, ready to break out, and it closed at a 106.49. So my profit is, let's see, I have six. It's about 20,000. I was paying attention to my other positions. I didn't realize how much I was making in Roku. All right, CGC. CGC has a really kind of like chart. You're like, oh my god, this could break out, and then it failed. Right here. That was supposed to turn to a third wave right there. The breakout above 52. It was supposed to be one zigzag, wave 2 to a third wave. But then over the past month and a half, it just turned into shit. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and it may test as low as 36 before reversing. But it's very disappointing, this stock. I think what it is just weed. The weed stocks is so obvious that to make money because of the legalization in Canada. My personal opinion is the reason why the marijuana stocks are kind of lagging like crazy right now is because there's just too many people doing it. Because it was a no-brainer that to make money off of the legalization in Canada and in the states in the states that are legalizing it in this country. But I think it's oversaturation because everybody's doing it. And that's why these CGCs and CRONs are kind of like in TLRY are really not doing very well. But only way I would buy this thing is if it cleared 50, but that's like a miracle if that happens because it's just a piece of crap right now. But I'm doing them because everybody wants me to do them because I'm a famous CGC TLRY trader that made a lot of money. Well, made a gigantic percentage gain. I've made 19,500% in CGC and TLRY and Amazon. Last year, I made 19,500%. I turned a little tiny account of $52 into 10,200, which is no joke, a big feat. I was just testing out. It was just one day I was like, what'll happen if I did daily options for the first time or weekly and monthly options for the first time? I was gonna try it out, and it turned out it was like this miraculous, amazing move that I turned to this little tiny account. My huge account, my bigger account, I made lots of money. But anyway, for CRON, we have this really big impulse, which should have turned to a third wave right here. And then it failed and just turned to this 1, 2, 3. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. This is like this chart pattern is so hideous that I don't even want to call this a wave 2 because of how deep it is. But it needs to hold 13.5. If it can't hold 13.5, it may drop down to 10, back down to 10. But if it can hold 13.5, break above 23, which is a miracle, a big miracle, then I'd be very surprised. But the only way I'd trade this again if it broke 23, which is probably not going to happen for a long time. And finally, look at TLRY. I'm just interested because I made a lot of money. This stock was so amazing. It's turned into shit. Look at this chart. Turned into a pile of shit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 down to 35. And then wait for. If I was gonna trade TLRY again, it would have to clear a 105, so it has to triple. So I'm not gonna touch TLRY for a long ass time. Sorry for my cursing, but I just feel so sorry for these marijuana stocks. That's a wrap.